Hello sir, ma'am. Welcome to Camellia Home Subdivision in San Jose del Monte. We'll show you a model house. What we call Mariana. This is Mariana Uphill. Mariana Uphill, minimum lot area of 77 square meter. Floor area 46 square meter. The price of this Mariana range to 2.4 million up to 2.6 million. It's depend to the lot area. Kapag mas malaki ang kinuha yung lot area, mas malaki yung presyo. So Mariana Uphill downhill, if you look, the living room is higher than the kitchen. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 steps before you go enter the kitchen. Then we have 1 toilet bathroom. If you want to finance in a bank financing, monthly amortization here sir, is about 24,000 monthly, and for a down payment of 20,000 and reservation fee of 20,000. So kung titingnan po natin, no, ang exit po ng living room, ng dining room. So pupunta po tayo sa second floor. Dito po natin makikita yung 2 bedroom. One is master bedroom. The other one is a bedroom for your kid. So model house lang po to. Pag na-turnover sa inyong property, it's solely divided into 2 bedroom. White cement, naka white plain po tayo. White plain, white paint. Then ikaw na po mag-choices, your choices to change your color. So ito po, if you look, sliding window siya. Sliding window. Pwede nyo lagyan ng cabinet dito for your kid. Ito na po yung main model house of Mariana house model. Okay.